Yeah, hello guys, I'm Sunil. Okay, so yesterday we have done with the introduction of Spring Boot. Okay, so today we'll see how.
Share your screen.
Yeah, I'll share. So today we'll see how many ways to create a Spring Boot application. Okay, and what is the starting point of Spring Boot application. Okay, guys. Basically, you need to remember one important point. Okay. So if you remember that, okay, then it's far better. Okay, because of that, see, basically ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే there are lot of things guys ఇక్కడ okay spring MVC spring core okay spring boot ఇట్లా చాలా no not many options are there. Okay, so you need to suppose if you start with the spring boot, you need to remember one thing guys. Okay, spring starter project, what is that guys? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, you need to remember this point. Okay, spring starter project. Okay, in Eclipse. Okay, while creating a project in Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse, you need to know. You need to go for spring starter project. Okay, okay, right. There are three ways to create application. Okay, there are three ways to create Spring Boot application. Okay, the first one is go to Spring Initializer. Okay, Ramakrishna, any idea what is that? Start dot spring dot io.
Spring.io now.
Yeah, I'll tell you what is that. Okay, don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, right here, start dot. This is Spring Initializer Ramakrishna. Okay, this page. Okay, from this page, you need to create a Spring Boot project. Okay, sample project. Okay, so after downloading this, okay, after downloading this, you need to import from the Eclipse. Okay. मेरे classroom. After downloading this, you need to import from the Eclipse. Okay. Okay. So this is the theory, guys. Okay. So first you should give the all details. Okay. See, first thing we remember. Okay, this Gradle Portland is totally for app development. This Gradle Portland is totally for app development, guys. Okay, Android app. Okay, and this Gradle and Maven are two famous tools. Okay, so again, Maven, most of the industries use Maven only. Okay, so far, okay, in my last 4 5 years, okay, I worked with Maven only. Okay, right, and Gradle is very less. Okay, but even if you want, I can teach you that also. Okay, right, you need to select Maven and language Java. Okay, and version, guys. Okay, so currently we are using Spring Boot 3 plus. Okay, guys, is that clear? Hello, Ramakrishna.
Yes, Sunil.
Are you able to follow?
Yes.
So see, what I'm trying to say here, give the configuration in this page. Okay, Maven, Java, and currently we are using Spring Boot 3 plus. Okay, currently we are using. Okay, 3 plus. For this, you need to use JDK 17 plus. JDK means our Java version, okay? Or core Java version only, okay? Right? Right? Guys, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So here, your artifact name is nothing but your project name, okay? Project. Okay. So here you need to give artifact name, okay, group name. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay. So once you create a sample application one, you come to know what this everything is. Okay. What is group name, artifact name? I'll in upcoming classes I will tell you in detail. Okay. Okay. And packaging is Java. See, you need to use Java 17. Okay. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Right. Now you need to click on add dependencies. Okay, so this dependency is nothing but, so in core Java, we used to add dependencies. There are no concept of dependencies, right? See, these dependencies are nothing but import statements only, guys. If you relate to core Java, guys, the most important thing is you need to comfort with both Eclipse and IntelliJ, okay? Here, okay? So you need to know both, you need to know how to use the both the tools, okay? In the project level, if you comfortable in the both the tools, okay, Eclipse or IntelliJ, then only you can work, guys, okay? Right? See, in this, the code, the way you write the code is very less, okay? Not less, but it's not that significant. Okay, the configuration is very significant here, right? Okay, it's Spring Boot, okay? It's not like core Java, okay? It depends nothing but, okay, import statements in core Java, okay? Guys, is that clear?
Yes.
So this is the first way. I told there are three ways to create a Spring Boot application. Okay. See, people, who are beginners, even uh, I have seen lot many times. People used to create confuse a lot. Okay, while creating Spring Boot application because Spring Maven is there. Okay, Spring MVC is there. Spring Core is there. Okay. So because of these reasons, okay, they used to confuse. Okay, so the first thing you should remember is Spring Starter project. Okay, then you can eliminate the confusion. Okay. 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 Right. Okay. So just now you need to add dependence. Okay. So the first thing is the basic dependency is web dependence. Okay. Spring Web guys. Okay. I'll tell you what the Spring Web is. So basically Spring Web, it will give, capability or it will give the support for to deal with REST API. Okay. In the upcoming class, I will tell you what is REST API, what are the methods in the REST API. Okay. Right. Okay. And here, and what else? Suppose if you want to add any database, okay, H2, okay, I told we have an in-memory database, right? So we need to use H2 in-memory database, okay? Guys, I will tell you what that is and everything, okay? And what else? And one more, JPA, okay? So if you want to interact with database, you need JPA, guys, okay? See, persist data in SQL, okay? See, and store with Java persistent API, okay? Spring data in Hibernate. Guys, is that clear so far?
Yes, Chanel.
This is the first way of creating a Spring Boot application, and you need to configure the things. These dependencies are nothing but imports. Okay. So this is start.spring.io. Okay. You can write directly in the directly this page will come. Okay. 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 See, now if you click on generate control plus, there will be zip file downloaded. Okay. To the downloads. Okay. Right. Okay. You need to extract that project. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. And after that, you go to Eclipse and file. Guys, you are already there in Java W mode. See, if you click over here, okay, if you click over here, open perspective, you need to use select Java W default mode. I think I already told in somewhere in the core Java, right? Okay,
Yes.
click that. Now file, open project from the file system. Okay, click on that directory. Okay, downloads, sample project, select folder. Okay, that's it. Okay, finish. Right. See, guys, whenever you're dealing with this thing, you need to have internet connection. Okay, then only see you have already configured the dependencies, right? So basically, what will happen? Yeah. So in Oracle, okay, in one of the Oracle route, okay, I think 2 years back, okay, they have asked me one question related to this. So what they have asked, okay, you are adding these dependencies. So these dependencies, what will happen if we add these dependencies? They have asked me. So can you guess, guys, what is happening by looking at this slide?
We'll download the dependencies.
From where exactly? Even I told the same. So that guy is very, most senior level guy from Oracle. Okay. Okay. I told what you told is exactly correct, right? It will download by seeing itself only. You can say so. You need to have a proper internet connection to download. From where it will download to where? See, it will download from where to where. You got my point, right?
Um,
That's the thing. Okay. Chapter. The question here is, okay. Question here is, question. Guys, can you able to see my screen properly?
Yes.
So from where it will download? To where? Separately. Let me walk through the sample application which we have just imported from Way1 method 1. Okay, see where is the sample? Yeah, see if you observe here, they on that beside the project there is something like boot. Okay, you should get this, guys. Okay, and this is the project. Okay, syntax. Sorry, structure. Okay, see, I'll walk through this. Okay, don't worry. Guys, how to zoom this? Guys, can someone check in internet after the class how to zoom Eclipse? Okay,
Oh my God, this was a the password.
guys, now tell me. My question, you got it right? From where it will download to where? See, and whatever the dependencies you have added, okay, in the web page.
You download to Maven dependencies.
Exactly.
Oh.
MBN repository. There is something called MBN repository. Okay. See, whatever the dependencies you have added, okay, while configuring, those will come to the pom.xml. Okay. So yeah, see, you can see here. See, I have added data JPA. See, Spring Boot starter data JPA. I have added web, Spring Boot starter web, right? And I have added form.h2, in-memory database h2. And the test is web. By default, it will be there. No, don't leave it. Okay. Guys, this is about pom.xml, guys. Okay. Yeah, it will download from MBN repository. Class path. This is important, guys. What is that? Class path. Okay. So let me open that. Right click on this project. Okay. There is something called properties. See, I am telling how to navigate to class path. Okay. Okay, right? See, click on Java build path. See, and click on libraries. Click on class path. See, all your Maven dependencies will come over here. Okay. Guys, is that clear? See, you can find many dependencies. But see, by default, Spring Boot application will have default dependencies. And on top of it, whatever the dependencies which you are adding, okay, here, those will also come to the class path. See, right? Let me give you the path. Okay. Right click on the project. Okay. Properties, go to properties. Properties. In that, go to click on Java build path. Guys, this is the path for class path. Okay. Java build path. Guys, are you following my class? And click on libraries. Okay. Click on libraries. You can find class path. Okay. You can find class path. Okay. So, guys, this Spring Boot is really interesting, guys. Okay. Not like Core Java. It is very interesting. Okay. Lot of, lot of things you can do some R&D. Okay. Okay. And if you really comfortable in Spring Boot, you can deal the project like anything, guys. Okay. And the interview scope is very, very less. Okay. Even if you have an interview, come to me. I'll tell you some important concepts in about 1 or 2 classes, and you can easily crack Spring Boot. Okay. Not total. But the thing is, the dealing with the project is very, very difficult. Okay. Trust me.
Okay.
The dealing with the project is very, very difficult. Okay. So you are learning for the project level, not for interview. Okay. There you can find class path. Okay. Okay. See, these things, most of the, you cannot find this, whatever just I told about this ambient repository class path. If you search our internet, I'm not sure. Okay. Even I didn't find anywhere. Okay. So these things will come from the, observation. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And see, I told ambient repository. Just open ambient repository. See, guys, this is the official Maven repository by the Maven. Okay, right? So you can search if you want any dependency, you can search, guys. Okay. It's Spring Boot Startup Web. Okay, click on that. See, guys, you can find Spring Boot Startup 3.3. Okay. So the thing is, see, suppose you forget to add, guys, Suman, are you there? If you forget to add this Spring Boot Startup Web, okay, while configuring, okay, suppose you think, yeah, you can mute, please mute, please mute. Suppose you forget to add this web dependency, okay. After that, what you do, you can copy this from here and you can go to the pom.xml and paste, okay. Right? You can go to the pom.xml and paste. So in this way also you can add dependencies, okay. Suppose if you forget, okay. So go to ambient repository. Therefore, copy that. Copy the dependency and paste it. And paste in. Paste in. Where paste in pom.xml. Once you paste, then you need to do. Once you paste, then you need to do update the project. Okay, right click, Maven, update project. Okay, click on force update and update. Okay, once you add any new dependency, guys, you need to update the project. Then your project will fetch the latest pasted dependency which from the Maven repository. Guys, are you able to follow?
Yes. Yes.
So after adding any new dependency, see, if you just add, it simply can't download right from ambient repository. You need to update the project. Okay.
Yes.
Right click, So after adding dependency, see, right click on project. Right click on project, click on Maven, then click on update project. Okay. Okay, guys, is that clear? Okay, then it will download the newly added dependency from MVN repository to the class path. Okay, guys, these things. Okay, see, most of the things from Spring Boot you did not find in no, YouTube or somewhere. Okay, out of the experience in the project level or out of the observations only these things will come. Okay, yeah. So please be focused clearly. Okay, it's not a core Java. Core Java you can find. Okay, n number of places on YouTube, but even till today, I didn't find any proper resource on YouTube, guys. Okay, for Spring Boot and microservice. Okay, okay, because I feel this microservice is coming from last 4 to 5 years only. Okay, earlier there is no microservice actually. Okay, then it will download dependency from MVN to class path. Okay, guys, I want to stop over here. Okay, basically we have two more methods, and after that we'll move to see. I told there are 3 ways to create a Spring Boot application, right? I have done with 1 way. Okay. Tomorrow I will walk with the remaining 2. Okay. Okay. Na? Okay. Guys, is that fine?
First way you said like using the Spring initializer, right?
Yes, Spring initializer. Yes. And I walk through the application, and I haven't walked through the application, which project, which
Yes, it's
package
very
we do.
useful.
Yeah, yes, yes. Tomorrow I will walk through the application. I think we have started at
Architecture total,
9:15. I think we have class. I feel fine. It's but see the Spring Boot slowly will will do the things. Okay, so if suppose if I teach everything in one day, yeah, I think it's a bit difficult to understand, right? Yeah. So you practice these things. Okay. So you go to starter Spring.io, import the project, and walk through if first to go through you just explore the project. Okay. Then I will explain tomorrow. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys.